Big watto to you interwebers out there, and welcome to Cooking with Grandad. Now today I'm going to show you how to cook a steak on a reasonably priced stainless steel pan. Why stainless steel? Well, because you get a nice sear, and probably the best steaks you're ever going to get will be cooked in a stainless steel pan. But there are a few rules. The first thing is we have to heat up this pan. So put it on a medium heat, okay? Not too hot, because if it's too hot and you heat it too fast, the pan will warp or you'll damage the pan. So we'll just leave that to warm up a bit. I'll be back in a mo. So how do you know when the pan is hot enough? This is quite important. Too hot, you're going to burn things. Not hot enough, well, you're going to stick. So get a little bit of water, drop it in the pan. You see that there? There you go, we'll just do some more. Just drop it in the pan, sizzle away. That is not hot enough. Then I'll just let that heat up a bit more and we'll come back to you. Okay, I think we're now hot enough. Let's get a bit of water. See how the water goes into beads there? It runs around the pan. That means it's hot enough. So just let that evaporate off because you don't really want that in there. I'll just get rid of that. Right, now add the oil. Now then, the oil will instantly cool down the pan. So you want to make sure that the oil also heats up to the pan. And you can now turn the heat down to your cooking temperature, let's say. I'll just whoosh that around the pan. It's now smoking, so I'll just turn it down a little bit more. Get your steak. It's already seasoned. I've seasoned that nicely. Lay it away from you, put it in the pan, and now leave it. Do not touch it for 2 minutes at least. So just put that on 2 minutes. Right, as you can see, 2 minutes is up. Now let's quickly see if the steak is okay. Oh yeah, look at that, lovely. And just turn it over. Then turn it away from you. That's it, like that. Again, just leave that for another 2 minutes and do not touch it. I'll just set the timer for 2 minutes. Okie dokie. What I forgot to tell you is really what you need is a steak press as well. So I'll just put this Pyrex dish on top here to keep the steak nice and flat. So that's 2 minutes up. The alarm is going there. Let's just turn that off. Now let's have a quick look at this. Is it loose? Yep, there you go. Oh, lovely. Right, now you're at the stage where you can put your, just turn the heat down because you're now going to cook it to how you like it. Rare, medium, blue, whatever. I'm just going to put a bit of butter in there. Let the butter melt. And now you can baste your steak with the melted butter. Oh, and just get all those flavors into that steak. Absolutely yummy. Put that in there. Making a bit of a mess. My butter isn't melting. Turn the heat up a little bit more. And there you go. We'll say that's lovely. That's cooked just right for Grandad. What I'm going to do is set it to rest on a clean board. Right, let that rest. Now what you've got here is some lovely base for a sauce. Now then, you can put whatever you want in there. You can put a bit of white wine if you like, deglaze it with white wine, red wine, a little bit of cream and peppercorn. That's also lovely. But what you want to do is just clean up the pan, get all that lovely juices and things, and that pan will be lovely and clean by the time you finish with it. There you go. And all those lovely flavors are now in the butter. You don't want it to boil too much though. I'll just take that off the heat a little bit, control the temperature, and there you have a lovely Diane sauce to go on your steak. I'm now going to plate that up and enjoy. Grandad